My life it is now or never.
Wow, oh, real sing ah.
Yeah lah, nothing to do
Passionate ah you.
Hey, where's James?
Don't know lah. Recently he's been avoiding us, but I think right, he got a girlfriend.
You sure or not?
Yeah, he keep on looking at the phone. Don't you remember we made the promise, right? For 5 years we cannot have a girlfriend. Focus on the music only. Your girlfriend how to do music? Confirm distracted one.
Yeah lah. You know, recently I also noticed, right? Every time his phone ring he go hide one corner and answer one very sneaky I also realized that
Yeah, got idea. I know which park he always go to, right? You know his phone, smile here, smile there, smile there. We should ambush him.
You sure or not? Yeah. Okay lah, let's go lah. He deserves it anyway.
Alright.
Let's go.
Hey, yeah, you must be Wei Ying Luo, right?
Yeah.
夫侧夫横.
Oh.
Yeah, so so I see the design again. This one my floor plan.
Okay. Like that.
Hey, where were you yesterday? How come you never go home yesterday? Cannot sleep leh.
Hey, I thought you're supposed to meet me tomorrow, then the day after tomorrow meet him, then meet me again.
Who is
Why are
this?
you with this girl? Wow, you
Who
break
is
our
this?
heart like that.
Hey, better decide which one you want to choose. Now you got him, you got me. Who's this one?
Yeah, you break our heart like that.
I think I got something on.
You damn right you got something on, girl.
Bye. Don't see you.
Bye, girl.
Wow, so drama one
You two, what the two of you doing? What?
Huh? What do you mean? What are we doing? Excuse me, bro. We made a plan, eh. Okay. We made a plan, eh. 5 years no girlfriend. What is this? Not like that. Wow, so fast ah. Not even 1 month.
My interior designer leh. Hey, I searched for 10 interior designer, right? Then after I choose her one eh.
Huh? Don't lie. Then why you always hide at the phone one? Don't want to show us one.
Hide at the phone. Don't want to show you all is because I also don't want to tell you all lah. That time when I liaise with her, she keep on showing me some beautiful picture. That's why I laugh. I feel very happy ma. Cannot man happy also got wrong man. Then you all rehearsal. I don't want to disturb you all.
Got like that one.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. Then the what? Never pick out. The pick out call go one side. Confirm or not the home renovation? You tell me 25,000 can Confirm Aiyo, scare me. She call me ma. She call me. I answer Then you all play music so noisy. I don't want to let people hear your voice
He say you noisy
You sing. You also not really a good singer. I tell you first
I don't know what to say about you two lah. Think so much. Guys some more. See some more. Anyway flu can cure, fever can cure, but stupidity cannot cure.
He say you're stupid.
Why is it always me? Hiya.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.